up the mess. Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity.
She be like, and when I do money up, like, lucky my friend. It's not that bad. Nah, girl, why you thought that ate? Cause hey y'all, what's up? I'm sorry for the jump scare and the sound. Yeah, cause it's real bad down here. Let me stop playing. But yeah, my ear look bad, but actually it don't look that bad. Cause I washed it with all the Cream of Nature products, or the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. Cause I love that line. My TT put me onto that when I first started my natural hair care journey, and yeah, and I've been using it ever since. And I just about got all the Cream of Nature Pure Honey products, except for a few. They got like a curling custard and something else. I've tried the mousse. I've tried the shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, the just about everything, y'all. But I'm twisting my hair. I'm gonna have to speed this up. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later, and I'm gonna put the products I use on the screen right now. Bye.
What am I missing? Always taking notes every time I try with a nigga. I just don't want to take on. What am I missing? Seem like game one from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me out the club, one hit it. I don't wanna know. Keep playing. Love is a losing game, and I just can't take no more. No more. Love is a losing game, so I just might be yours.
Bands and make her dance. Bands and make her dance. Bands and make her dance.
Girl, the way you move it, got me in a trance.
Bands and make her dance. Bands and make her dance.
Girl, the way you move it, got me in a trance.
All these cheeks poppin' pussy, I'm just poppin' bang. Short hair like Nia Long. Loose one, she don't need a loan. She start twerking when she hear a song. Stripper pole her income. We get trippin' and then some. So nasty when she rollin'. She put that ass off in my hands, I remote control it. She give me down when the roof gone. At the KOD, she leave with me. She got friends, bring three. I got drugs, I got drink. Bend it open, Juicy J gon' poke it like wet paint. You say no to ratchet pussy, Juicy J can't. Racks everywhere, they showing racks, I'm throwing racks. In the VIP, rubber on, I'm stretching that.
Girl, the way you move it, got me in a trance.
Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance.
Girl, the way you move it, got me in a trance.
All these cheeks poppin' pussy, I'm just poppin' bang.
Yeah. Bitch, I'm big mama. He call me big mama. He love his big mama. Big mama. Big. Love when he call me big mama. Yeah, they get the coochie wet. How better stick to TikTok and mean that without disrespect. I was a virgin before I met you, baby. I don't have an ex.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Taylor. I'm back, and as you can see, I'm doing my lashes. Period. Because I'm that girl, bruh. I'm in a lashes slump, y'all. Okay, I want to do my lashes, but the kit came with it. The glue, I've used it so many times that the glue is not left. Not left, like I had to throw it away. But it was so good. So I got new glue. So we're going to try it. I'm in a learning curve with it. So we're going to try it. And the lashes in that kit is so good. Like, the side I use the most is almost gone, and I'm so mad about it, like, kind of upset about it, because I like those so much, like, they fit me, or, like, I like how it looks, but yeah, I like it, like, you can't tell me it's T. The only thing that's not T is my nails, but my nails are done now, so that's all that matters. Anywho, I'm wrapping up my hair, And I'm about to blow dry it. Yeah, I'm blow drying it. I'm not gonna lie. Why the heck I kind of look like Michael Alpha Proud Family? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. No shade to him. I love his character. Alright, y'all. So as you can see, I'm running out the blow dryer. Like I blow dried it. I know I'm finally done because I know my hands was cramping up, and I'm blow drying it again. I put some rollers in the back, y'all. This isn't fast forward because baby, I know y'all ain't want to see all that. I low-key didn't want to edit all that, so yeah, my bad, y'all. But yeah, I'm drying it because baby, my hair is thick, and yeah, you gotta get in all the crevices and all that. And I put a few rollers back there because the ends weren't really curling, and I think it kind of worked. But yeah, so I'm just blow drying and blow drying and blow drying. Like, bro, I just know my hands was cramping up. But yeah, this lasted like maybe 3 days. But yeah, because this is my third time doing it in this video. Okay, Miss Girl. And I decided, what, girl, why you got a flat iron? I guess I was about to, I'm about to put some mousse. Oh, I'm about to do my edges with the mousse, baby. I don't think that's gonna pan out. Oh, girl, you ain't got no edge control. I guess you gotta use what you got. I'm guessing it's working because I'm swooping the heck out of my dang edges. Oh, hold up, it did work. Hold up, okay, girl. And mind y'all, this is an old video. All my videos I posted recently is an old video. I'm sorry, y'all. Because y'all about to see a lot of some morning routines. Like, y'all better post it before I leave to go to Georgia for the weekend. So I'm gonna be posting and posting and posting. So yeah, I think this is all, y'all. I love y'all, and I'll talk to y'all later. Mwah. Bye, y'all.